Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable IRA rollovers with Charles Schwab step by step clearly. To enable IRA rollovers with Charles Schwab, start by logging into your Charles Schwab account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section in the main menu. Select IRAs from the drop-down options. Find the option that says Rollover IRA or Rollovers and click on it. Read the provided information about IRA rollovers to understand the process. Next, click on the Begin Rollover button. You'll be prompted to enter the details of your current retirement account. Provide the name of your previous financial institution and your account number. Select the type of account you're transferring from, such as a 401k or other IRA. Indicate the amount you wish to roll over. Choose whether to receive a physical check or have Schwab contact your former institution. If opting for a direct transfer, provide the necessary authorization details. Follow the prompts to upload any required documents for verification. Review all the information you entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your rollover request. You should receive a confirmation email once your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the transfer status. Contact Schwab customer support if you encounter any issues or need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.